All right, well, you've probably heard the saying, life's about the journey, not the destination. The same can be said about travel. Sometimes the drive can be just as rewarding. For our next four-state staycation, KOAM photojournalist Liam Mandelbaum takes us on the Fort Scott Historic Driving Tour, where the town's vintage beauty is on full display.
We are right here on the historic brick streets of Fort Scott, Kansas. We have some homes that you will not be able to find in every community. Some of them are owned by Fort Scott natives, but such as this one behind me, we're fortunate that people have moved here from out of town. This couple moved here really simply for the home. The historic tour of Fort Scott starts out from the Chamber of Commerce and Visitor Center, takes you through our historic downtown, most of which all of the buildings are on the National Register of Historic Places. We have a trolley tour that runs on Friday and Saturdays by appointment, or we have a driving tour brochure that's available if people just want to tour on their own and check out the notable architecture of the historic homes, most of which were built in the late 1800s. So it is really neat to hear from visitors when they come in, how do you get your downtown revived like this? All the buildings, our downtown has just really had a resurgence in the past few years, and they're just like, how do you do it? How do you get people to take pride in the community? And we're blessed for that. You just can't build things like this today and replicate some of the things that they built back then, and the stories behind them as well.
A lot of beautiful homes on that tour. We'll put a map of its route in this story on our morning show page a little bit later this morning. And you can find that at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back.